What a beautiful day in the sunshine. Isn't it pretty? I fell on the ground. Oh yeah. Welcome to the swim off. I'm going to bounce on the bed all day long. I'm so crazy I had candy. 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 I love candy. Candy. Also here's my breakfast song. Do you like waffles? I love waffles. Do you like pancakes? Oh yeah, with syrup and butter. Do you like French toast? Extra scrambled eggs. Do 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 do. Hey! Yeah! Let's go to the bathroom now. Yeah. It's dark in here. I'm going to take a shower. Nah, I don't feel like getting wet, so. Shower. Okay, this is the water. Yeah, very cool water. And some soap. You're wondering? So, yeah, that's the bathroom. Now we're gonna go to the action part. Doorknob. Going down the hall. And we're here. I'm on the leader table. Call it. I call the leader table. I call the leader table because I feel like it. And everyone's gonna be thrown by stuff. Touchdown! Yeah, whoa! So that was my video. I'm sorry it was short because I feel like it. So go Koalas! Yeah! Bye!